Hello, I'm Douglas McLean. I'm here at Laney's Diamonds and Jewelry in Williamsburg, Virginia. I'd like to show you our custom design software. Let's suppose you have a diamond solitaire ring similar to the one that's portrayed on the screen here, and you're wondering how it would look if you made some changes to it. Well, we can explore those changes in real time and explore possibilities and see what you really like. Let's look at those choices or our possibilities now. The first thing we need to do is to deal with the size of the stones we have, and of course that's a given. In this case we're looking at a diamond, approximately 1 carat, and I've got it in a simple 6-prong setting that'll work for our purposes today. We have a library that has all kinds of different rings, pendants, pins, things of that nature that we can choose from. Let's look at the possibility of going with simply a wider ring, and we'll click on this one for example and see how that will work for our needs. We see our diamond is ghosted in the background there, and we see our ring in front. The ring, we can change the width of the ring simply by pulling on these control points on the outside. And when we select a style that we think is appropriate, we simply move on and take a look and see if it looks good. If we like the idea, then what we do is we simply join the gem and the material together, and we can save it in a job bag similar to what I've done here. And that's a simple mounting with a variety of different styles of shanks. Let's suppose you were wondering what the same ring would look like if we possibly added a gemstone or two to the side. In this particular instance, let's look at our same 1 carat diamond with a sapphire on the side. Now we can easily change the size of the sapphire to accommodate our needs and sizes. We can make something smaller, we can make it larger, similar to what we did before. In this particular case, I'm showing the sapphire just a little bit underneath the center diamond, and that's often the case when you look straight down on a 3-stone ring. What we're going to do later is add another sapphire to the other side, but for now, let's just work with those 2 gemstones. And let's take a look again, going back to our library, at the possibilities that we can for ring styles that we can use. In this case, let's look at this one here that has a little V shape to the shank itself. And again, we'll bring that up, and for our purposes the width looks pretty good, so let's go ahead and leave it right where it is. Go back and take a look at our gemstones. And it looks pretty good just the way it is there. We can go back in at this particular point and apply settings if we want to. And again, we have a look that I think is quite pleasing. Now, to add the stone to the other side is a simple process, and all we're going to literally do is mirror half of the ring over to the other side, and that'll give us a view of our completed piece. Again, we can take our ring that we've designed, if we like the style, and we can go back to our job bags, and we can save the ring for later comparison with other things that we look at. I've been speaking for about 3.5 minutes now, and I've got a 5-minute limit, so that's about as far as I'm going to go right now. The points I'd like to make at this juncture is that custom design is a lot of fun, and using our software we can literally explore thousands of different possibilities. In our next video we'll take a look at other looks, other ways that we can design using that 1 carat diamond in the center. I hope you have an opportunity to take a look at the next video as well. Thank you for watching, and this is Doug McLean from Laney's Diamonds and Jewelry.